Ate Mai, bakit kailangan 3 years ng history kung saan kami nakatira? Ang kailangan mo. Kaya hinihingi ng lender yung history kung saan ka nakatira for the last 3 years is to determine yung identity mo. Kasi kunwari, marami kang kapangalan, with the same names. And let's just say those other two people with the same names, merong criminal record or merong mga debt history. So, malidetermine nila na hindi ikaw yon. Pangalawa is, malalaman nila based sa history mo, pwede nilang ipacheck kung are you an owner of these other properties or are you renting? If you're an owner, do you have a mortgage? So they have to take those into account when you apply for a mortgage. If you need more information, please feel free to reach out to me. Ito po si Maylin Lim, ang inyong Pinay Mortgage Broker.